Hey guys, we got this Horacell Kids drawing projector for test and try and a demo. This is the art and craft kit with the boys age 3 plus and including colored pencil, crayons, coloring books, drawings and stencils, etc. So let's open the box and you can see a lot of stuff in here. So let's just take this, assemble this projector and do this drawing kit. So this is the main projector body. You have to put three AA batteries to get it started. The battery is not supplied, so let's assemble this product first. Assembling is pretty easy and straightforward. And then these are the some small pen holders that we need to put in here. So this is the assembled product for the projection, and these are the accessory kits that have these slides. These have total 72 patterns with the 8 slides and 9 discs. So you can put in the slides in the corner here and then also in the top, and then you can just rotate to project the images on a paper and then draw. So total, as I said, 72 patterns around, and then these are the all things on it. So this also have this colored pen, drawing pad. With the other accessory kits, this also have these crayons, stencils, and then the other stencils and the color pencils. So these are the all different stencils and the coloring stuff or a whole coloring kit with the different things that kids can do. So there are a lot of things to do with this and also the different shapes and stencils and things. So here also there are different stencils with different shapes that the kids can draw and use this while doing any drawing. So it's basically a very nice kit to have a lot of things and stuff. So this also have this coloring and the stickers book. So there's a coloring and the sticker book. So we have to put in this three AA batteries. So let me put in these batteries, and then let's check this is ready to project. So let me just put it back. So here like you see a good projection of say a flower, and the kids are able to trace it and do the drawing, and it's a really fun thing for them as it will be a very perfect drawing and they can just copy this tracing and then do the things. So even if these stances are closed, you can see a good flower drawing. You can also use this pattern thing. So you have to be careful to make it sticky like to one place, and then you can just draw the things. So you can see a good drawing, and the good things the kids can have a multiple activities and then enjoy their time with the drawing and craft kit. So combination of really great stuff with stencils, projections, slides and other tools.